In the assignment 4 of week 1, we're looking at three main concepts. The first one is combining like terms in order of operations. The second is evaluating expressions, and the third is writing a sentence in algebraic terms. So we first look at like terms, and in the reading you should have read that like terms must have the same variable and the same exponent. So if one term has an x and the other term has a y, they are not like terms and we cannot combine them. So in the first example, I've already worked this out. Looking inside parentheses, we've got a 7x and a 3. These are not like terms because 3 does not have an x. So we cannot combine those. So the only thing we can do is to distribute. And when we distribute, this means that we are multiplying the number outside of the parentheses by everything inside the parentheses. So we're multiplying 2 times 7x, which is 14x, and then 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. And so our final answer is not a single answer, but instead it is an expression, 14x minus 6. And now moving on to the second example, this is longer, a little bit more complicated. We're still following, in general, the order of operations to where we want to look inside the parentheses first and see if we have any like terms. In the first parentheses, we've got 4ab plus 3b minus 1. We do not have any like terms because the first one has an a and a b, and then the second one only has a b, so we cannot say that those are like terms. So the only thing we can do in the first set of parentheses is to distribute. So we're going to multiply the 6 by everything inside the parentheses. 6 times 4ab plus 6 times 3b plus 6 times negative 1. And so 6 times 4 is 24ab plus 18b minus 6. And that's for the first parentheses. Now let's look at the second set of parentheses. We have brackets, and then inside those brackets we have another set of parentheses. So we need to work with the innermost parentheses first. And inside those parentheses we have 2b and 3a. Again, those are not like terms. So the only thing we can do is distribute. And anytime there's just a negative on the outside of the parentheses, we assume that's a negative 1. I've already had it written in here. So negative 1 times 2b is negative 2b, and negative 1 times 3a is negative 3a. Now we've taken care of the innermost parentheses. Now we're looking inside the brackets. First ask the question, do we have any like terms? And now we can say yes, because a and negative 3a are like terms. Because same variable, same exponent. So we're going to combine those two. And a is assumed to be 1a. So 1a minus 3a is negative 2a. Minus 2b. Okay, and then we still need to distribute this negative 3b on the outside of that bracket. So negative 3b times negative 2a is a positive 6ab. Negative 3b times negative 2b is a positive 6b squared. When you multiply b times b, that is b squared. And now combine any like term that you have. 24ab and 6ab, we can add that to give us 30ab. And we have no other like terms, so we simply write down the rest of our terms. And so our final answer is 30ab plus 18b plus 6b squared minus 6.